We need to prepare our Lombard steam log hauler for winter. We've drained all the water we could out of the saddle water tank and out of the boiler, but there's always some water still left inside. So we've hooked up a compressor with an air hose that goes into the boiler, and our goal is to run that with a compressor and to work the water out of the engines and all the piping. We're blowing water out of the engines right now, moving it back and forth with compressed air. Doing great. Backing up now, okay, and giving it some throttle. We're running on compressed air, not much.
You see that tank empty?
Yes.
So runs like it's hot. Very impressed. Very impressive.
We've just blown the water out of the Lombard. What do you think?
I think it's in beautiful shape. We're going to go ahead and lay it up now. We're going to open up the manholes and do a quick inspection inside the water side. I got a bore scope.
One go, Richard.
Just as well as the steam.
Nice machine, isn't it?
It is a nice machine.
We're pulling the front inspection plug. We're going to take a look inside. This is a photo of inside the inspection port, and I guess we've got a red coating of the boiler compound.
We've got a good protective coating on the internals, and looks like it's cleaning up the boiler. That's what this debris is on the bottom. So
Water coming out the left-hand bottom plug.
this tells us.
Here's a look inside on the left-hand side. We've got a red coating of the boiler compound. It's looking pretty good. Here's a look at the plug on the left-hand side.
Nice protective coating.
A nice coating. A special thanks to Ken Jenkins for repairing our compressor. He totally rebuilt the carburetor and also the distributor, and it just runs great. Thank you, Ken. Ken, you fixed our compressor. We really appreciate it. Nice job.
You're welcome.